Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you a very useful tool that will allow us to check where exactly is our sent transaction and how long will we have to wait for it to be confirmed. So thanks to this tool you will be able to estimate if it's worth speeding up the transaction or maybe it's worth waiting because our transaction is next in line to be verified. And before we begin, remember that in the description of this video you will find the link to Telegram channel and Telegram group, so make sure to join it. And now let's start. The website I'm going to show you is called TheAppsWorld. On this website we can check the transaction state on different blockchains such as Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum and Monero. So over here I'm just going to choose Ethereum and choose single view. Once we do this, on the left side we've got some statistics like broadcasted transactions per second, confirmed transactions per second, mempool, median contract fee, median gas price, circulating supply, price of Ethereum at the moment, when was the last block, what is the gas limit, and so on and so on. You can check the stats over here. I'm just going to close it and let me explain to you what do we see over here. Every character over here is a separate transaction, so depends on which card the transaction gets in, it shows the length of time to be verified. The first card is usually verified, at the moment it's 85 GUI, and a very useful tool over here is that we can track our transaction and see in which card it is and how long we need to wait for it to be verified. To start tracking your transaction, all you need to do is click on this icon over here and then paste your transaction hash. Once you do this, you have to click on follow, and as soon as we do this, the card where our transaction is or the character of our transaction would be highlighted. So right now we see that I'm in this card and my card is moving forward, and of course if there are transactions with a higher gas price, my transaction will be pushed further down to the next card. So as long as your transaction is somewhere in any of the cards over here, you're good to go. It should be verified within the next few minutes. If your transaction gets into this huge line with 75,000 transactions that were not verified, not confirmed yet, then maybe it's a good idea to speed it up in your MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using. And this is also a very useful tool to see how much GUI you need to pay in order for your transaction to be verified as fast as possible, because of course the first card over here is verified pretty much immediately. So if you want your transactions to be verified as soon as possible, you need to make sure that you put GUI as a gas price high enough as showed in the first card over here. And as we can see, my transactions are moving upwards and it's in the second card. So in a moment, this transaction should be also verified. And as you can see, it was worth waiting in this moment because my transaction is going to be verified in a second. And as you can see, my transaction is currently in the second card. So it was worth waiting and not spending more GUI on gas because my transaction is going to be verified in a moment and we will see the confirmation information over here on the screen. That would be it for today. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about this tool, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.